Overnight oats, the healthiest vegan fast food. You make it the night before, it takes 2 seconds, put it in the fridge, boom, you got yourself a sweet but hearty, healthy breakfast in the morning to go. Let me show you how we make it. Start off with your oats. We'll do 1 cup. This type of recipe, you can really experiment with the ingredient portions and do whatever you'd like. Some people are gonna want more chia and flax and less oats, others less coconut milk. It really is whatever you'd like. Alright, after that, we are gonna go with the chia and flaxseed. We got a little mixture, beautiful. Pour it right on in there on top. Next, we're gonna go with the cinnamon to your liking. I love cinnamon. Canela, que bonita. That's good. Next, your sweetener of choice. We are gonna go with this all-natural, pure sugarcane syrup here in Costa Rica. Pura vida, amigos. Some people like maple syrup, agave. Boom.
How much?
That's fine. And then, to top it off, and guess what? If you want to experiment with other ingredients, if you got some fancy things, if you want to put some spirulina in there, some daily green boost. Actually, yeah, fuck spirulina. Daily green boost is literally the shit, tastes better, super good. And it is, you use the discount code Plantriotic, you get 10% off your order. It's a vegan run business by my friend Jamie. Alright, so you can experiment, but now, last but not least, you gotta put in your licuado, your nut milk of choice. I got coconut milk that we make here in-house at the Plantriotic household. You can use almond milk, oat milk, whatever you'd like, and now look at that beauty. And then we will stir it up. Stir it real good, get in all the oaty crevices, and then from here, my friends, once it's stirred, we will close it with the top, seal it up, and then put it in the fridge overnight, and then in the morning, add some toppings. And then in the morning, before you head to work, to school, or whatever it is you're doing with your life today, you simply grab your oats from the fridge, add in some fruit, a banana, some strawberries, maybe some peanuts, some walnuts, mix it in, and you got yourself breakfast. Thanks so much everyone for watching. Let me remind you to hit that subscribe button. It helps a lot. And if you want to go above and beyond, you like our videos, you want to support Maggie and I's life here in Costa Rica, just pledge $5 a month on Patreon. You also get access to 1 or 2 videos and 2 podcasts a week that are only going up on my Patreon page for those who pledge $5 or more. So go check it out if it is value for you.